Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. Joining us this morning is Jesse McLeod, Laboratory Director, and Brian Hart, COO of Michigan Health Clinic. Thank you both so much for being here this morning. How are you?
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us.
Of course, you are so welcome. We are so delighted that you're here. We need you right now because today we are talking about COVID testing, and we're right back in the middle of this pandemic. The Delta variant is surging across the country. Kids are back at school, and most of us are working in person now. So it's important that people know if they have COVID or not. So tell us a little bit about, Jesse, what types of testing that you offer in Michigan Health Clinic?
Yeah, so we have a full panel of testing available. We can test with molecular methods for PCR. We do the rapid antigen testing, and we also have serology tests for the antibodies. And in addition to all that, we've recently brought live a saliva test for the PCR, so now we don't have to do those nasal swabs. We can do a saliva, much less invasive collection, much more comfortable for patients.
And Jesse, I just want to follow up on that. You can tell, how do people know like if they need to get a test or not?
Sure, well, anyone who's been exposed to someone with COVID should come in and get tested, and of course anyone who has symptoms. And then for those symptomatic patients, we also have flu and RSV testing that our providers can order, so we can tell if you have COVID or if you have influenza, and you'll know how to react and act from there.
I love how specific that is. That is great to know. Okay, so Brian, if someone needs to get tested, where do people go to get tested?
Colette, we offer 7-day-a-week testing over at our site, our family practice clinic over at 4707 McLeod Drive in Saginaw Township. That's about a quarter mile behind Fashion Square Mall.
Yes.
We have a full staff of providers and medical professionals. We offer weekend and evening collection because we know everybody's so busy right now this time of year with school starting.
Yes. And when you said weekend, Brian, I'm like, yes, because so many parents and everyone's busy. Kids are at school with their after-school activities, so that's great. Very convenient for everyone.
Absolutely.
So, Jesse, the question that most people want to know, is it expensive? How much does it cost to get a test?
Great question, Colette. So we made the commitment at the beginning of the pandemic that we wanted to be a no-cost testing site. So if you need to be tested, even if you don't have insurance, you can come into our clinic and you can be tested and you will not get a bill. So we want to make sure everyone gets the test that they need.
Oh, music to all of our ears. I mean, that's great to know that for everyone in the community. Now, Brian, we all like things that are quick and easy. So how long does it take to get the test results?
The test results, if you're tested in the morning, we'll get those test results to you by the end of that day.
Wow.
Usually it's, other than that, it's within 24 hours. We offer, of course, the antigen testing, but what we're really proud of is the PCR saliva testing, which is much less invasive. Right. It's much better for children and families. And we are the first clinic in the region, in the area, to offer that testing. That's something we're very proud of. You know, we were here in the beginning. We were the first in the area to start our COVID-19 testing. We were the first in the area to take it to the schools, school level in the area. We're really proud of what we can do for the community.
Brian, I know a lot of people avoid the testing because they're scared that's invasive, but we love this saliva testing. We have it in our backyard.
Yes.
Exactly
That's
right.
terrific.
Exactly right.
For both of you, anything else that we haven't covered that you think is important for viewers to know?
Just that Michigan Health Clinic is the largest testing facility in the Great Lakes Bay region, and we have capacity to do all of the testing that our area needs. And all of the tests we offered have been validated using FDA guidelines, and they're all approved for use under the emergency use authorization. So you can have confidence that the test you're getting is reliable and you know the result is good.
Oh, I love it. And it's quick, it's simple, it's easy.
And
get
it's
it back yourself. Oh, you cannot beat it. Thank you both for this valuable information, for stopping by. Anything else you want to talk about, or you come on back. You are welcome anytime.
Thank you very
so
much, Colette.
You are so welcome. You can find more information in the hot link section of WNEM.com.